Acha, one thing I really want to ask you all, are you all fully satisfied with the class?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any
Yes,
other
ma'am.
expectation you all had and you didn't get from me?
No, I
Yeah, we
think
want to continue, which is not going to happen. Only that is the one.
No. Whenever you all want, you all are most welcome. It belongs
Ma'am,
to
we
you.
got beyond our expectations.
Beyond your expectation,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
got. Thank you
Yes,
so much. Thank you so much. I always want to give more. I always want to give more. More than expected. My few words, but remember, so what, the sky is not going to fall. Be fearless. Fear comes, accept it. हाँ, डर है, accept it. Anxiety comes, accept it. Yes, I am anxious.
And till
Yes.
now in office, around 8 people approached how you improved communication skills and that are like.
Did you give them my number?
Including, yes, ma'am, including my VP and senior VP, director, global director.
Thank you so much that you all are being appreciated. It's an honor to me when you guys come up. So please tell them. Yes, Moni?
Ma'am, my only concern is after this class, how I will deal with my life. Like,
I am there now, and God is there.
hello?
God is there. I am there. You can talk to me. You can talk to me, Moni. There's some problem with that. Network. Anything else you all want to tell before I wind up?
Excuse me, ma'am. Apart from communication class also, I would like to share my views that we learned so many life lessons, small experience of yours, and how to cope with the present world, and how to involve in everything positively, and how to reduce our anger, and most important one, how to get involved in everything, and all we learned so much, ma'am, in this class.
Thank you
Because
so
this
much.
is very needy, ma'am, in the present life, in the fast moving life. It is so much of necessity, ma'am.
Managing
So,
your emotions is the most
yes, ma'am,
important
managing
thing.
emotions, and yeah, ma'am, accepting everything, because we can't have anything in our hands. Everything we let it be happen, and we just accept, ma'am. So that I learned so much, ma'am, in this class. Yeah,
We
yes,
have to
everyone needed this,
accept
ma'am.
it, children.
Because nowadays everyone are independent, ma'am. Nobody is dependent on anybody, ma'am. So like that.
No one.
Yeah, ma'am.
And see, if you meet somebody in your life, it is not by chance. It is pre-planned.
There's a reason, ma'am. Yes.
There's
yes.
a reason behind everything.
Yes, ma'am. I agree, ma'am, for this.
Not without a reason. Because God knows that you are the fittest person to handle that thing. So whatever happens in life, what is going to happen will happen. You can't change, I can't change. So what should we do? Sit and cry? No, no way. We have to accept it. So why not gracefully accept it?
And one thing is right, ma'am. If we pray from our truthfulness, definitely we will get it, ma'am, without any selfishness and all. If we pray for truly, we will definitely get it, ma'am, without having any bad intention.
I even pray for others every day. Like just now, my target is Lavanya's father. He met with an accident. So I pray continuously for Lavanya's father. So if you do something for others, you'll feel good. You will have euphoria.
Because
Any
life
other
lessons are very important to the present world, ma'am, especially for youths. Yes, ma'am.
Exactly. Not only for youth, for young ladies like me also.
Youths nothing but overall, ma'am. Especially for youths means they are very fast moving generation, no, ma'am. That's why I'm pressuring them and telling you, ma'am.
And Moni, can you hear me, Moni? Whenever you have any doubts,
Yes,
any
ma'am.
problems, you can call me. Okay?
Okay,
If
ma'am.
I'm in the class, I may not take up the phone. Anil sir will take. You can ask his guidance also. He is a fatherly figure for everyone. He's a very nice person. Excellent man. Okay, not because he's my husband, but I know him very well that he's always giving, caring, compassionate, and there are so many qualities that I found in him. So many qualities. Anybody can take his help. Anything else?
I realized from this class, ma'am, knowledge gives confidence. So that confidence gives commandness. So when you have subject full of, when you have full subject, so then obviously that will gives you confidence. That
Naturally.
confidence is. Nowadays I'm seeing.
It gives a total change in your life.
Ma'am, if we are starting from your class only, the day, no, the day is somewhat peaceful and some positive things, because I heard from you is most of the things are positive only. So, and this approach, everything is also positive. So the whole day starts in positive.
You know, there are positive vibes all around. Gather the positive vibes in you and keep on giving it out. Everything positive will happen. Whatever is going to happen, it is going to happen for good.